From the scorching hot desert to snow-covered mountains, from ice-cold water to a cozy campfire, this is only fan life. Good morning, or should I say good night, because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's now the 14th of April. I haven't made a video in 3 weeks. I was too busy with work and I was sick in the weekend. But today is a special day. I'm going back to Spain. And Bob the Birder is going with me. We are going to Extremadura to do some bird watching all week long. So it's time to get up and go to the airfield. Good morning from Schiphol Airport.
So, Jan-Willem, allow me to congratulate you on completing your last challenge.
Thank you.
And here is the famous Dutch gevulde koek.
Nice. And welcome in Spain, in Trujillo. And we're here for the Lesser Kestrel in the famous bullfighting arena. Every journey should have a birding challenge, so here is Bob to tell you the challenge.
For this journey's birding challenge, I want to see at least 120 different species, of which 12 needs to be bird of prey, including the prize bird of this region, Spanish imperial eagle, and the biggest of all vultures, black vulture.
Good morning. Today is the third day of our bird trip. Yesterday we went to National Park Montfragüe. We were able to see the Spanish imperial eagle, so very happy with that one. And today we're going to the plains of Cacares, if I'm saying that right, and hopefully we will see the bustard. But now, breakfast. We just found two great bustard. In this beautiful open landscape. But they are far away.
So we just had another exciting experience. Behind us we found a dead corpse with a lot of vultures eating from it. And yet again, another white landscape. Good morning! It's now day number 3 of our Extremadura birding trip, and we're in front of Spanish biggest cork oak tree. He is called Abuela, which means grandpa in Spanish. And just as we were approaching the tree, a Spanish imperial eagle flew overhead, landed in the tree, and picked up prey it hunted a couple of days before. So that was an exciting experience, and you guys will now see a picture of that. So as for the challenge, 12 birds of prey, we got those. Spanish imperial eagle, obviously we got those. And as for 120 species, we are currently at 102. So working hard to achieve that one as well. This wouldn't be a great only fan life video if it didn't go in the cold water. And what a place we found. There is an abandoned castle in the distance with vultures. So let's go for a cold swim.
A few minutes later.
It was cold, but not cold enough. We found this abandoned church and we're now looking for the red-rumped swallow. Hello?
Only fan line, fly,
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 fly.
fly.
Yo, it's now Tuesday evening. It's 9 o'clock. We're waiting for the sun to set. And then it's time for the birds that come out at night. And those are?
We're searching for red-shouldered nightjar and two types of owls.
After a long day of birding, I'm now waiting for the pizza. Today we've been birding for more than 10 hours and drove more than 300 kilometers. It's too hot. I don't want to wait, I'm too hungry. Good morning! This is our last day.
We're trying to see if we can get better views of the sand grouse and the bustards.
Tomorrow we fly back to the Netherlands. And from the castle above Trujillo, we're gonna end this video.
But not before we update you about the results of the birding challenge. So, number 1, get at least 120 species. We made it to 140 by just seeing number 140. 12 birds of prey, we got 15 of those. And you've already seen, we've seen black vulture and Spanish imperial eagle.
Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Subscribe for more OnlyFans.